Hi, and welcome to Lesson 2 of WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing, Configuring Single Product Pricing. In this video, I will show you how to set up single product pricing using WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce, to Products, and click on All Products. Now, edit a product. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on Dynamic Pricing. Now, click on Add Pricing Group. This is where you will create your pricing rules. Let's configure it step by step. Under Applies to, you have three options: Everyone, Guests, and Specific Roles. Everyone means the rule applies to all customers. Guests means the rule applies to all guests. Specific Roles means the rule only applies to selected user roles. Next, choose how quantities are calculated. Product quantity, which is the total quantity of the product. Variation quantity, which is the total quantity of a specific variation. Cart line item quantity, which is the quantity of a specific line item in the cart. And quantity of category, which is the quantity of a specific category in the cart. Under Rule Processing Mode, we have bulk or special offers. We can also add start and end dates for dynamic pricing. For bulk discounts, set a minimum quantity and a maximum quantity. Choose the type. Price discount, which is a flat amount. Percentage discount, which is a percentage, or fixed price, which sets a fixed price per item. Now, an amount. Enter the discount percentage. You can add multiple pricing groups by clicking on the Add Pricing Group button. The rules are processed from top to bottom. The first matching rule will apply, and the rest will be ignored. Once the details are added, scroll up and click on the Update button. That's it. You have successfully set up single product pricing. You can start creating discounts for your products. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.